All right, so far we have learned how to use a comma and a semicolon in a series. And yesterday we learned how to use a comma when we have an introductory part of our sentence. Today we are going to talk about using commas with a direct address and tag questions. So for example, here it tells us commas are used to set off names that indicate direct address or someone being spoken to. I will show you some examples when we come down here. If the name appears in the middle of a sentence, commas should be placed both before and after it. Commas are also used to set off short questions that appear at the end of sentences. Here's an example. Here's your direct address, class. So we're talking to the class specifically. Take out your books. Would you please? There's your tag question and at the end. So let's look at some of these examples. Please pass me the index cards, Roberto. So we need to somehow put a comma in here to address Roberto. So we would take our comma, comma, and place it in between the words card and Roberto. I want to get started on my research, don't you? I'm going to Control C that, Control V, and I'm going to drag it here between the question. I want to get started on my research, comma, don't you? That's where you would pause and ask the question. Okay? So if you need any help, please let me know. This can be quite tricky. I'm going to retype this so that it's easier for you to plug the commas in. And if you need any help, please let me know.